Here's my good friend Merrick, who's getting me up all these damn mountains. We're on Beehive Shoulder. There is Beehive. Um, we were going to go to Beehive, but damn. Here's Merrick.
Hi folks, there's Billy, Galta Peak in the background, and we're going to do a spin. There's Spanish Lakes coming up, that's the Blaze. Spanish Lakes there, coming around, there's Beehive. Risk to rewards are a little off. There's Fan Mountain, there's Cedar Complex, Lone Peak Summit, Sphinx in the background, Hill Guards way back there with Echo Summit at the top. There's Immigrant,
Beehive Basin.
Electric Peak, Beehive Basin below me. There's Mount Wilson. That was our other choice today. We might go there next week. Who
We're
knows?
ahead of it. We're on top of it.
Yeah, we're above it. Oh, we're above it all.
Almost.
And there we have it.
10,000 feet.
Check it out.